Your Excellency, before you are the students of St.Johns SS Wakitaka with a population of 2,100 students. Enjoy our presentation.
The icon of this great land, Uganda, the power of Africa. Your Excellency, you stand to be. We are here celebrating the liberated Uganda from the power of dictators, killers, monopolies. What a great man you are. Your gun brought peace to Uganda, and peace we enjoy today. Papa, we hail your efforts. What a treasured Uganda we do enjoy, full of joy and freedom. Freedom of speech and movement. For every person, the glittering environment makes our country unique. Green in schools and Uganda, a great achievement. Road construction in every part of Uganda, you have done, and work is on. PDM, which was a dream, now a reality.
Democracy was promoted in Uganda.
People choose leaders of their interests, and we say, long live the chairman now, Uganda's #1 choice of presidents. As your slogan stands, industrialization for a better Uganda.
Factories and industries are emerging in every part of the country,
Creating job opportunities for the citizens of Uganda. The oil refinery to better the lives of Ugandans. Hence, promoting transport network, tribalism and nepotism, you have fought. Bridging the gap in political affiliation. Security, you have handled with a strong arm. A professional army in existence. Rebels are no more. Bravo, the king of peacemakers. To dance we can dance, and to shout we can shout. The route you take, the trend you follow. Education sector, excellent.
UPE,
And use police, I think. Science and technology,
you have promoted.
enhancing science allowances.
Ha! What a brave man.
TVET, promoting life skills. Job makers will become other than job seekers. Viva the Dawabana, the liberator. Time is now and time to tell. What you want is what you like. What you like is what you need. What you need is what you want. As St.Johns SS Wakitaka, we say, we love you, they love you, and you are loved. Your Excellency, steer Uganda to greater heights.
Shut up, Tembeya. Shut up, Tembeya. Shut up, Tembeya. Regional operation, you are promoted. And security is at hand.
What a man with a vision for Uganda, East Africa, and Africa as a whole. The insurgents in Rwanda and Burundi, you help, and peace prevails. Southern Sudan, you have helped, peace prevails. You have penetrated the Arab Congo. Rebels retreated to UPDF. In Somalia, the Al-Shabaab fear your gun. They run and hide. What an experienced man you are.
I feel so small and humble when I stand before the #1 of this country.
The liberator.
Your
Competing ideologies has set Uganda free.
The peacemaker.
You have made Uganda sound in Africa and the entire world.
The icon of Uganda.
Papa, we proud for your efforts.
Wangala, Wangala, Wangala. Dada Wangala.
Yiba mama olwalero guluno banatunagaya lero omukolo banange gweisanu enalemu banakoze ebintu bingi kamala ebiyamba mun'abantu ab'einuma yiyi enalemu yazimba amasomero abana abana besomera ino enalemu yazimba amadwaliro yiyi enalemu erimye enguudo yi mama yaleta pologulamu ediyamba mun'abantu ab'einuma yasookera kuleeta nadisi abantu bagayigagala ino era yavaawo yaleeta emyoga abantu bafuna enusu eriyo parish development model yiyi gwengaba gwenalemu sanambanange yiyi olweisanunze fwadibye ndiku enalemu yaleeta eidembe eriyo eidembe eryokutambula yiba mama eriyo eidembe okweyogerera byona byenalemu yiyi muzeyigangala yoiwoka likumeni kubanga ebirungi byokoze bingi baba munange tusima waleeta security kusalo donadona olweine baba nabedyevu mune tutasise ino sako jisule mubwala yiba mama kankoma bonze ndira twagaya baba iwe nena mulala iwe abalyogera balikoga yewe nena mulala oyo bogere muzeyi iwe nena mulala iwe abalyogera balikoga yewe nena mulala ngabe mambo nena mulala iwe abalyogera balikoga nena mulala oyo bogere mama nena mulala abalyogera balikoga yewe nena mulala oyo bogere bwene baba nena mulala oyo abalyogera balikoga yewe nena mulala oyo bogere yewe nena mulala oyo abalyogera balikoga